Okay, let me choose someone to do a live clearing for. First one on my screen today that I saw was Michelle Loya. So I will be connecting with you real quick. I'm just going to flash your name so you know that it's you. What can I do for your best and highest good today? So there's an invisible despair anchor over your, blocking your inner child from truly connecting with who you are and who you were meant to be. So it feels like it's a blockage hindering you from reaching your full potential. We tend to get a lot of blocks on our little inner child. Is there more that I need to know? This happened when you were around 3, and it was connected to an interaction with your mother. Really, mother, yes. And I don't need to know anymore to release this for you, or I'm actually going to integrate it. Is that done? Is there anything else here? No. Permanent, yes. All right, so that is released for you, Michelle.